Today we will see very interesting problem. Okay, so find the sum of the integers between the 100 and 200. Okay, so we need to find the sum of the integers between the 100 and 200 that are divisible by 9 and that are not divisible by 9. Okay, what are the numbers we have the between 100 and 200? It is numbers from the starts from 101 to 199, right? So these all numbers are between the 100 to 200, right? So in these numbers we need to separate the which are divisible by 9 and we need to find the sum of them. Okay, then we need to find the sum of all the numbers and we need to subtract which are divisible by 9 numbers, then we will get the which are not divisible by some numbers. Okay, this is how we will solve this problem. So how do you find the divisible by the 9 numbers? Okay, if you take the ninth table, see 9 ones are 9, okay, 2s are 18 and 3s are 27. Okay, so what does that mean? The difference between the two successive numbers is always 9. Okay, whenever the one number divisible by continuously, the difference between the successively two numbers, always the difference will be the same. Okay, so but we need to write the which are divisible by the numbers from the 100 101 to 199. Okay, which is the first number which is divisible by 9 after 100? You know, right? 9 tens are 90. Okay, and 9 11s are 99 and 9 12s are, if you just add the 9 number to this one, we get the 108. Again, if you add the 9 number to here, it is 117. Again, if you add the 9 numbers here, and it will comes 126. Okay, so the series is after the 100, it is starting number is 108. Okay, the next number is 117, the third number is 126. How do you find the last number? Okay, it is very simple. Okay, let's take the 199. Okay, then divide with 9, 199, and divide this number with 9. Okay, so 9 2s are 18, so that we will get the 1, right? And again if you take the 9, okay, 9 2s are 18, so what is the remainder we got? Okay, 1 we got the remainder. That means if you reduce the one number from here, then that number will be divisible by 9. Okay, for example, so this is a remainder, so this 199 can be written like 199 number can be written like 9 into 22 plus 1, right? Okay, then if you take out this one this side, okay, that means 199 minus 1 equal to 9 into 22, right? So 198. Okay, so 9 into 22 are, it's a 198. Okay, so 198 is the last number of this series. Okay, so what is the, this is looks like arithmetic progression, right? The difference between the two numbers are the same, so that we are calling the arithmetic progression, right? So any two consecutive numbers difference is the same, then we are calling that series is in arithmetic progression. But we do not know the which number it is 198, right? Okay, let's find the which number it is 198. Okay, so you know arithmetic series, right? Let's take the first, we need to add the common differences to get the next numbers. For example, a is the first number. Okay, how do you get the next number? If we just add the common difference to the first number, we will get the a plus d, right? For example, the 108, if you add the common difference is d, here common difference is, what is the common difference here? 9, right? So if you add the 9 to first number, we will get the second number. How do you get the third number? If you add the two common differences, you will get the third number. Okay, that means already one common difference we are adding here, another common difference we are adding here. Okay, and so similarly in the, don't remember the formulas. Okay, it's very simple to find the nth term. Okay, for that you need not think that it is a formula. Okay, for fifth term, how many common difference you need to add? 4 common difference you need to add. Just reduce the one number and add that many common differences. Similarly for nth number, you need to add the n minus 1 common differences. Okay, so let's take the last one as the nth number. so that we need to add the n minus 1 common differences to the first term. Okay, so series is 108, 117, 126, so on, and 198. Okay, so the first term in the series is a, is the first term is 108, common difference is d, that is difference is 9. We need to find nth term. Okay, which is this term having this 198? We need to find the nth term. Okay, right? So how do you do nth term? We know it is 198, right? So nth term, right, is a first term. We need to add the n minus 1 common differences. Okay, for the first term, if you add the n minus 1 common differences, we will get the nth term. That is given as 198, right? So here, what is the a here? A is the 108 plus n is the we need to find, and common difference is 9 is equal to 198, right? So if we do it here, n minus 1 into 9, so 198 minus 108 is how much? It's just 98, right? So we'll write up that also. So 108 and n minus 1 equal to, what is 198 minus 108? 198 minus 108 is 90, right? And this 9, if you go send it that side, divided by 9. Okay, so n minus 1 equal to 10 and n equal to 11. Okay, so this is the 11th number. Okay, then how do you find sum of these n terms? Okay, so for the n terms, we will find like, right, sum of the n terms. Okay, we need to do by n by 2. N is the number of terms we have, and the first term and the last term. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, so this formula also you need not to remember. It's very simple to derive in a minute. Okay, so okay, in the arithmetic progression, for example, I will explain here in a minute. Here you see. Okay, so for example, you are trying to find the sum of the 5 numbers. Let's take the Sn is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Okay, these are in the arithmetic progression, right? Common difference here is 1. Okay, and again you can write these numbers in the reverse order, remember. Okay, like 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. Okay, if we sum up these two, okay, so it becomes like a 2 times of Sn here, and the first 2 terms, if you sum up, 6 will get, right? So 2 plus 4 is 6, right? Like that, all you get the 6. Okay, and how many times you are getting the 6? We have the 5 numbers of 6, right? So that 5 times of 6. Okay, so that what will happen to Sn here? Sn, it will become like 5 times of 6 divided by 2. Okay, that means how you return this one? Okay, you return the first term and last term sum. Okay, okay, that means first term and last term we are summing up. Then what you did, we multiplied the how many terms we have. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 terms, so that if you have the n terms, we will multiply with the n, and these are the 2 terms we are summing up, right? Not the 1 time, right? That's why we are dividing with the 2. Okay, this is the derivation. Okay, simple thing, right? You don't make it complicated to remember everything. It's a very simple. First term and last term we need to add into n by 2 is the sum of the n terms in the arithmetic series. Okay, equal to, what is the nth term here? Is 11, right? Okay, 11 by 2, and what is the first term? Is the 108, right? Okay, what is the last term? 198, right? Okay, if you simplify this, you will get 1683. Okay, so now we find the which are divisible by 9 is 1683. Okay, I am writing this number here, 1683. Okay, okay, now we will find which are not divisible by the 9. What are the numbers between the 100 to 200? The starting number is 101, and next number is 102 and 103. Okay, and so on. Last number is 199. Okay, now we will find the sum of this series. Okay, here the first term is a is 101. Okay, the next term, like common difference is 1. Okay, and then the last term is, what is the last term? Is 199. Okay, how many terms we have here? Very interesting question, right? So how many terms we have here? So 101 to 200 is the 100 numbers, right? if you reduce it 1, it is a 99 terms, right? Okay, so it is the 99 terms, so n is the 99 here. Okay, okay, now sum of these terms, how will you find sum of these terms? We will find the first, the n by 2, right? N by 2 is the 99 by 2, first term is 101 plus last term 199. Okay, if you simplify this, you will get 14850. Okay, now what do we need to find which is not divisible by 9? Okay, so that means, so sum of the n terms which is not divisible by 9. Okay, not divisible by 9 means what do we have to do? Total sum from 101 to 199 is the 14850 minus, which are divisible by numbers, we need to subtract, that is 1683 we need to subtract. Okay, then what do we get here? 13167 will get. Okay, I think you are clear in the problem. Okay, here you are remembering two things. Okay, what is the first thing? Okay, nth term. Okay, nth term in the nth term. Okay, nth term. Okay, nth term in the arithmetic series is, we need to add the n minus 1 common differences to the first term. Okay, and sum of the nth term, sum of the n terms. Okay, not n term, sum of the n terms is the just n by 2 and the first term plus last term. Okay, by just using these two we found all these things. Okay, thank you for watching. Okay, if you like the video, press the like button, and if you want to share any comments, please write in the comment section. Okay, thank you for watching.